Welcome to this clear step-by-step guide on mastering line breaks in WordPress within approximately 5 minutes. In this tutorial, we will carefully walk through the process from the very beginning, starting with accessing your WordPress site and moving all the way to applying a simple key combination that creates the line break you need. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the main WordPress site. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, you will notice that all the significant options and links are immediately visible. Take your time to become familiar with the layout. This first step is fundamental because it sets the stage for all the subsequent actions you are about to perform. After you have arrived on the WordPress page, your next action is to locate the login option. This is generally positioned at the top right corner of the home page. When you see the login button, click on it. This step is designed to take you to a secure space where you can enter your credentials and manage your website. Logging in guarantees that you have full access to all the editing tools and settings that you need. Upon clicking the login option, you will be presented with several methods to sign in. For this tutorial, select the option that says Continue with Google. When you choose this option, you will be prompted to pick one of your existing Google accounts. Choose the account that you wish to use with WordPress. This method simplifies the login process as it leverages your Google sign-in, making access quicker and more secure. With authentication completed, you will now notice a section on your screen labeled with various shortcuts, often called quick links. In this section, look for the link that reads Edit Site. This is where you are given access to the tools necessary to engage and modify your digital content. Once you click Edit Site, the WordPress site editor interface loads up and presents you with an array of customization options and blocks that represent different parts of your web page. Now that you are within the site editor area, go ahead and select any block that is visible on the page. The block you choose does not have to be a particular one, since the goal is to activate the editing mode where you can insert text and modify elements at will. This provides the environment ideal for formatting and editing the content exactly how you desire. With the block selected and your cursor active within the editor, you are ready to perform the final step, which is to insert a line break. To do this, hold down the Shift key and then press the Enter key. By using this key combination, you create a simple line break without having to start a new paragraph or alter the existing paragraph structure. This is a useful technique when refining the visual presentation of your text in WordPress, and it ensures that the spacing in your content appears precise and intentional. This concise yet clear set of instructions allows you to effortlessly create a line break in WordPress. By following each of these logical steps, you can easily improve the formatting of your website's text without needing any advanced coding skills. Enjoy the simplicity and functionality of WordPress as you expertly navigate through the editing interface and enhance your site's readability with just a simple Shift and Enter press.